In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch a website in Lovable AI. To get started, sign in to Lovable AI and open the website project you want to publish. Make sure you're in the correct project before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one site. This helps avoid publishing the wrong version by mistake. Once your project is open, take a moment to test your website. Click Preview to see how the site looks from a visitor's point of view. This is an important final check before going live. Go through your pages carefully and make sure everything works the way you expect. Test your buttons, forms, navigation links, and any other interactive elements. If something doesn't look right or function correctly, now is the best time to fix it. Make any final edits you need before publishing. When you're happy with the site, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button. Lovable will begin building and deploying your website. This usually only takes a few moments, so just give it a little time to finish. After the deployment is complete, Lovable will provide you with a live website URL. This is the link you can use to open the site in a browser and share it with other people. If you want to use your own custom domain instead of the default live URL, you can set that up in your project settings. Open Project Settings, then go to Domains and click Add Custom Domain. Enter your domain name, such as yourwebsite.com or www.yourwebsite.com, depending on how you want your site to appear online. After that, Lovable will give you the DNS values you need to use. You'll need to update your domain's DNS records with your domain registrar using those details. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. In some cases, they can take just a few minutes, but they may also take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. Once the domain is verified, your website will be available on that custom domain. Finally, if you ever need to make updates to your website, just return to your project, make your changes, and click Publish again. Lovable will deploy the latest version, and your live website will automatically update once the new deployment is complete. And that's how to launch a website in Lovable AI, from previewing your project to publishing it, and optionally connecting a custom domain.